Good morning and welcome to Alex the Barbarian. Today I am with Eran and we are on the Golan Heights. Stay with us for 3 days of action and adventure.
And wine.
And wine, yes, and wine. We have reached the stream of Gilabun. It should be crossed somehow. And there are warnings that it is contaminated by E. coli. And we are in danger of being poisoned. But we are not afraid. We will cross the stream, right?
I'm not sure.
I crossed using my walking stick. Eran crosses barefoot. Yeah, you are a hero, Eran. You did it barefoot. Yeah, barbarian.
Great view, Alex.
Yeah.
Let's go to the winery now. It will be a blast.
Eran has some fetish with wineries, and this is why we will probably visit a winery on every day of our trip. Cheers.
Salud.
The people at the neighboring table left, and they left bottles.
Alex, I want to taste the rosé. What will happen now?
The situation is like this. They do not have wine tastings during the weekend, so we'll have to do wine tastings from neighboring tables. Barbarian on the mission. Like Conan, who was also a thief, I will now take the rosé for the tasting. There is also a Chardonnay there. We have hidden the glass behind the barrel. The winery was okay. The theft was awesome. Good morning, this is the second day of our trip, and today we go to Gamla, which was an ancient Jewish city on the Golan Heights, which was destroyed during the rebellion against the Romans. According to Josephus Flavius, 4,000 defenders of the city were killed by the Romans and 5,000 committed suicide by jumping to the cliffs below. An ancient cupboard. The ancient synagogue of Gamla is before us. Not much is left of it, but you can see how magnificent it was long ago. And the today hike ends with another waterfall. Eran, what do you think?
Awesome. Legendary.
There it is. The Gamla waterfall. Another day, another winery. This winery is so fancy, one of the clients came with a private helicopter. Cheers! And this is the third day of our trip, the third and the last day. Today we are in the Arbel cliff. Rebels against King Herod. But yeah, that's the one who killed the little babies. Well, some rebels hid here against his armies. King Herod fought against them and the rebels lost. There is an obstacle on our way, and it is blocked by a horde of children. We passed the obstacle of the children. It was not very easy, and Eran is quite annoyed, I think, because of the time wasted. And he's
heroically moved the children.
yeah.
I did one Expelliarmus and they all went away.
Yeah, I climbed.
You did not climb, you followed my footsteps.
This is the end of our 3-day trip. I enjoyed it very much. What do you say?
I like the vineyards and the wineries. I also like the restaurant yesterday. Overall the company was mediocre. But okay, very good.
Very good, you heard it, very good. Eran very much recommends hiking trips organized by Alex the Barbarian. So share, like and subscribe for more barbaric videos.